So MicroStrategies began in 1983 with our founder Anthony Bon Giovanni. In the early days we wrote custom software for our customers, and that kind of defines the philosophy of who we are, in that we try to make sure we always meet or exceed our customers' needs.
My name is Denise Blankinship, and I'm the Vice President of Information and Data Support. I work for the Church Pension Group, and we're a not-for-profit serving the Episcopal Church. We have folders, paper folders, and documents going back to the early 1900s. So the paper was brittle, it was hard to read, and so those earlier papers were at risk. And it's just from for what our core business is with providing pension and insurance products to the clergy and lay and institutions of the church. It was very important. Those folders are critical in any process and touch point that we have with our clients. So it was really paramount that we get them in electronic format.
The Business Solution Group centers around solutions that help businesses structure their unstructured data. So this would entail things like enterprise content management, very significant in the professional service arena, especially for law firms, management consulting, accounting firms, financial service firms. We also deal with portals and collaborations. So this would allow various teams, wherever they are located, to collaborate on documents. Everything in this group, for the most part, centers on documents. So you want to think of workflow, right? What happens when a document comes in? Who has to look at it? How does it get approved? Version control. We also deal with document capture and scanning, right? As more and more firms go paperless.
My name is Brian Howard. I work for Molecular Neuroimaging. It's a company in New Haven, Connecticut. Brain imaging company focused on Alzheimer's and Parkinson's research. They just been a partner right from the onset for us. A lot of sites around the world send us brain images from scans from their cameras. And associated with that is all documentation. So we're looking to make that more efficient, because it was all like paper faxed in and paper handed out from one group to the next as the images go through each step in the process.
We work with a lot of high-value documents. Primarily, that's what our solutions are built around. For these clients such as CPG, financial services, or molecular neuroimaging, a biotech firm, these guys have a lot of high-value documents, and it's critical to their business process that these are managed efficiently. And in doing so, we enable them to save money, we enable them to launch products quicker, we enable them to have better customer service as well.
We know it's improved the business. We know that it has eliminated the paper flow. And that the users love what has been done. MicroStrategies helps us with the day-to-day operations, both from a technical and a business requirements and development and deployment of our whole enterprise content management program. In addition, from a strategic perspective, they have played a key role in helping us effectively work with the vendors and really decide where do we want to go.
My focus is on helping choose the right technologies for our clients so that we can build solid technical solutions for them.
And our events aren't just about selling new technologies, but it's about educating our customers on what they can do with the new technologies and how they can go about implementing the new technologies. So our marketing team is second to none, and quite frankly drives many events, both face-to-face events, virtual events, trade shows, virtual trade shows, newsletters, and those types of things to actually keep our customers in the know of what's going on in the market. Why they keep coming back to MicroStrategies is our people, right? And these are people, whether they're our solution architects, whether they're engineers, programmers, developers, network technicians, that's what keeps people coming back.
MicroStrategies has been great to work with.
MicroStrategies is really providing an end-to-end solution for us. They help us from a strategic perspective, from an implementation, deployment, production support. It's really an end-to-end solution, and it's been a great relationship for both sides.
Thank you.